Did you know your sneeze is basically a mini sonic boom? That's right, these bad boys can reach speeds over 100 miles per hour. Imagine if you could harness that power. You'd zoom past cars on the highway with just one achoo! But here's the real kicker. That explosive force isn't just for show. It's your body's way of blasting out all those pesky irritants in your nose. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember, you're not just making noise, you're unleashing a high-speed cleaning crew for your airways. Just maybe aim away from your friends, yeah? Because at those speeds, you're basically a walking sneeze cannon.